How to make an Instagram post using Canva. So once you in this page over here, you have different designs from Canva that you can use. Over here, the left corner, as you can see, once it uploads, different, all kinds of different design, or you can search for your own that you want to do it. But I'm just gonna choose a simple one that I want to use. So this post looks good. I'm gonna choose this one. Just wait a little bit so it loads up. Keep in mind you can change everything about this, the background, the color, everything. As you can see, there's now Canva suggesting to me similar to this one that I just chosen over here in the left corner. These looks really good. It's gonna wait a few seconds so it uploads. As you can see, we're just gonna wait. You could change the shapes and everything. Then I'm gonna change this. Well, if you want to change it, I'm gonna change it, double click, and I'm just gonna write be happy and smile. Put a smiley face. I'm gonna you could change this around any way you want. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna put this over here. Or you can change the background color as well. Once you click the background color, you can go over here, this corner, and change the color. In my case, I'm gonna choose a little bit more pink. There we go. And the blue bit, should we choose red? There we go. So as you can see, the text looks a bit, you can't see properly, so I'm gonna change the color on the text. When you want to change the color, you need to press this A over here, text color, and then I'm gonna choose black, simple black, and choose away, as you can see, and then make this a little bit more bigger, and then put it over here, and then click on here. So this post looks great, right in the middle. Over here, we're just gonna make this. You can also add elements. I like this, but I just want to add a little bit more things. If you want to add more things, you go to elements, and then you can choose anything that you want. You can search over here. So I'm just gonna, since my post is about happy, so I'm gonna choose happy and press enter. And this is gonna get search for. So you have different options: graphics, photos, and stuff. I'm gonna use graphics because it looks more better on Instagram posts. So wait a few seconds for it to upload. So there's different kinds of stuff: smiley faces, people, happiness, and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna scroll a bit down. I'm gonna choose one of these flowers and then click on it and make this a bit smaller and put it over here. And I'm gonna choose, where's the happy face also? Yeah, this one, happy face. Move it over here, put it over here. So I like this post, and let's see if we can change this a bit more. I want to make this a bit bigger over here. This one too. Yeah, just move a little bit to the side right here, and just move this more to the corner because it's too much going on. We want to make sure there's room for this so people can see. And there we go. Now it looks fine. So once you're finished, make sure over here at this page you write down the name of the file, because when it downloads it'll be the file name. Click on share and then click on download, and then wait a few seconds. Once you want to download it to your device, click on download again on this, and it will download this on any device that you're using to make this. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.